Hey guys, we're here with another home video. This is a remodel slash addition that we done over the past couple months. This house is approximately about 1,400 square feet on the new addition part. The original house I think was around 1,700. Here's the master closet that we had custom shelving built for, which is what the homeowner wanted, his style. This house, like I said, originally is about 1,700 square feet. This addition's around 1,400. The homeowners were actually having a baby today, so we were kind of crunching a timeline, trying to get everything done in time, which we have everything done except they just need to finish the grout on the shower and put the plumbing fixtures on, which won't take, you know, an hour at the most to do everything. And waiting for the shower glass to come in around the top of the shower here, and there'll be a glass door over here. So nice soaking tub here, which is all complete. Just need to do a final cleanup. Here's the granite vanity top here with his and her sinks. Nice storage area in the middle. Nice linen closet you can use for storing everything. Let's walk out here to the master bedroom, which they kind of had to leave early this morning due to the baby coming. So, but everything has rope lighting up there in the crown, in the tray ceiling area. It's a good sized bedroom. It's about 20 by 20 bedroom, which is a good size. Let's walk into a little hallway here. This wall right here, the width part, is the original house, and we cut through that brick and wall and came into here. Here's a little storage closet area off the bedroom. Let's go into the other kid's bedroom, which is, this is a new part also. But you can see, good sized bedroom. Has good closets, organizers in there as well. All the bedrooms have carpet, and outside here is a water resistant laminate that they wanted. With kids, you know, they can spill things and all that. This area right here used to be the old utility room. We made it into like a little desk area. This used to be a bedroom, old smaller bedroom. We turned it into the utility room. It's got some shelving and storage areas in here, which is great for laundry supplies and things like that. And pretty much everything from this point on, the front door, is what we replaced. From new flooring through the whole house. This point forward is the new addition. So let's go outside and we'll take a look outside what we done. All right guys, here's the outside. This part right here is the original part. Where that window is to the right there, that's where the addition started. It went around through here. The owner owns a landscaping company, so he'll be taking care of all the outside dirt work and everything. So we're not taking care of that. He's going to do that himself. You can see the can lights and all the soffit areas to match the existing house. The owner wanted these outside plug-ins for, you know, lighting for the holidays, which they don't have any lights up much this year because of the baby coming and the, you know, construction of everything. But everything turned out really good on this house. It's all brick, but you can see down here at the bottom, we have a 12-inch brick at the bottom that gives you a 4-inch brick ledge with an 8-inch block behind it for your framing to set on. Let's go around here, we'll look at the brick. Another plug-in for the outside there. This house also has a outside heating system with a wood heat. So we got a boiler in here for the actual heat supply for the house, along with central heat and air also if needed. You can see here vapor barriers down on the ground. R19 insulation in the crawl space with the ductwork provided also. And you can see the block work and everything there, which turned out really good. Let's go around here. Here's the where the old house started, right here in the new, and everything turned out real good. We had added some outdoor stereo speakers, can lights in the pool area, and you can see over there the outside heating source which the homeowner has. And this house is, like I said, about wrapped up. We just have a few little minor things to do on the inside, and finish the shower glass and the grouting, and everything should be done. So if you like what you see, just like and subscribe, and we'll have some more detailed videos coming up on some other projects, and I'll have a final video on this one showing the final look on everything. But if you got any questions, just let me know, and I'll see you on the next one.